Two 2's complement number having sign bit x and y are added and sign bit of result is z. Which of the Boolean function indicate the overflow? We need to find Boolean expression for overflow. Let's understand with every possible condition when overflow occur and when overflow not occur when we add two number in 2's complement form which have a sign bit x and y. In this table I wrote down all the possible combination for 2's complement representation of a decimal number for 4 bit where first bit is a sign bit and 3 bit used for magnitude of that particular number. Now with use of 4 bit we can represent from +7 to -8 in 2's complement form. Now our first case is when x is 0, y is 0 and z is also 0. So here we take an example of +1 and adding with another positive number +2 and which will result in +3 which we can easily represent in 2's complement 4 bit representation. So here no overflow condition will occur. Same is true for negative number. -1 is added with -2 and we will get -3 as an answer. So x is 1 for negative number, y is also 1 for negative number and z is also 1 for negative number. So here also we can see that -3 is also can be easily represented in 2's complement representation of 2's complement 4 bit representation. Here we can also observe one condition here. Whenever overflow will not occur when carry in is the same as carry out in sign bit. Here carry in sign bit is 1. Let's make a calculation here. So 1 plus 0 will be result in 1. 1 plus 1 will result in 1 0 where 0 is used as a sum and 1 as a carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will result in 1 and 1 where we put 1 as a sum and 1 as a carry. So here carry in is a 1 and here also 1 plus 1 plus 1 will result in 1 1 and which we will put 1 as a sum and 1 as a carry. So carry in is a 1 and carry out is also 1. So no overflow occur when in sign bit carry in and carry out from sign bit and in sign bit is the same. Now let's take a other case also. Here we take a case when x is 0 and y is 1 means first number is positive, second number is negative which we can easily interchange here and result is also in positive. And second case is first one number is negative and other number is positive and result will result in negative number which we can also interchange first and second number here but result also negative and result here is positive. So first we take +5 as our positive number and add with -4 here. So we will get result is +1. Here we can also observe that here carry in is 1 and carry out is also 1. So carry in sign bit and carry out in sign bit both are same, so no overflow occur here too. And here we will take -5 as our one number and +4 as a second number and which result in -1. So here no carry in and no carry out means carry in is a 0 and carry out is also 0. So same carry in and carry out in sign bit, so no overflow occur here in this condition also. Now let's take a third case in which overflow is occurring. Here we take up both number positive which result in a positive number which cannot be represented with our 4 bit 2's complement representation. And here we take both of number is negative which cannot be represented in 2's complement form of 2's complement 4 bit binary form. So here we take +5 and +4 when we add them together it is +9 which we cannot be represented with using of our 4 bit 2's complement representation. And same goes for -5 and -4 which result in -9 which is also cannot be represented in 4 bit 2's complement representation. Here if we observe here we get carry in is a 1 but carry out is 0. So different carry in and different carry out will result in sign bit will result in overflow. The same goes for here. Here carry in is a 0, means 0 plus 1 will result in 1, so 0 carry in but 1 carry out in from sign bit. So different carry in and carry in was 0 and carry out was 1, which both are different, so we will get a overflow here. So overflow condition always occur when sign bit has a different carry in and different carry out. If both of the carry in and carry out from sign bit are same, then there is no overflow occur in that condition. Now let's make a table for all our possible cases. We see all three cases. First case, when both number are positive and can be easily result can be easily represent in our 4-bit 2's complement form, and both number are negative and can be result can be easily represent in 2's complement 4-bit form. This is the second case in which one number is positive 1 and other number is negative 1, which can result in either positive or either negative number, where no overflow will occur. Overflow may occur when both of the number have same sign bit, like both of the number here. If we, for this example, we took a plus 5 and plus 4, which result in plus 9, which cannot be, which result in overflow. And here minus 5 and minus 4 will take as an example, which result in minus 9, which also indicate overflow. So overflow may occur when both the number have a same sign bit. We use bar form of our literal when it has a 0 value, and when it has a 1 value we use a normal value. So overflow will occur whenever we have a condition x bar, y bar, z bar plus x, y and z bar. So our answer for this question will be option C.